human computer interaction. So it is really very important part. We can see here it's a step by step fall type of system. That's why it is known as the waterfall model. Is you What is mean by the waterfall model? We all knows that if you flow the water from the staircase, what will happen? It will fall step by step. So that model is considered here. In the same pattern, this model is a linear and sequential approach to software development where each stage is completed before moving to the next step. So, as I told that it's a step-by-step process, that's why it is known as the waterfall model. So the stages of the waterfall model is what? First, the requirements gathering and the analysis. At this stage, we required all the things which we need to develop a software. Then the system design. System design is what where we need to find out a detailed design of a system based on its requirement, including the architecture and the user interface. What the user what they want, and how we can satisfy that thing that we are going to decide at this stage. The next stage is the implementation, where we develop the software following the design specification and coding standards. Whatever the standards are available for coding and for designing a software that we implement here. The next step is to test and verify. So thoroughly test the software to ensure it meets the requirements and function as expected. If it is done, then we can go forward. Deployment and the maintenance. Release the software to user and provide ongoing maintenance and support. This is the last stage where every testing has been done and we can say that the product is ready to use by the user. At this stage, we give the software to the user and its maintenance for his. So the advantages of this model is what? Clear and structured approach we get here. It provides a systematic and a well-defined framework for development, ensuring a clear path from start to finish. It is easy to understand and implement. It is a sequential nature, comprehend and implement especially by less experience. And it also enables through documentation and planning. So all we get in this model. So disadvantage of these models is there that it's a lack of flexibility and adaptability, that it's due to this linear structure. It's a challenging accommodate changes or update during the development process not done properly. So limited stakeholders are there. Stakeholder involvement during the development. Stakeholders have limited opportunities for input and collaboration until the final stages. I have already discussed about the stakeholder in the another lecture. So the potential for late discovery or errors and issues. As testing usually occurs late in the process, error issues may only be detected after significant, because testing is done at the second last stage. That's why. If at every stage the testing is done, then this model can be the best model. We can draw a conclusion based on it that waterfall model is what? It's a step-by-step process. It's a very structured mannered process. It is considered for choosing the development methodologies, and we can have some sessions on this. Whatever questions you want, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.